You like cleaning, Lily? What do you like about it? What do you like about cleaning?
I don't know.
It's fun?
Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. I was cleaning it.
Are you going to want to clean when you get big? Yeah. I hope so.
Isabel big? Is Isabel big? They're getting clean.
Yeah.
Not most of I do.
She doesn't like to do the dishes, though.
I like to.
I know.
Isabel does the dishes really fast.
Yeah.
I do too.
You're doing a great job.
I think I got some more left.
Let's see. You're doing a good job on that. You're very strong.
What?
You're very strong.
I know. Because if you get little, you can be strong, Mom.
Really?
Yeah?
Is that what happened to me as I grew up?
You shouldn't get little.
No? Or I should. I should go back to being little?
And have the cans.
Yes, definitely need those.
And strong muscles.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have strong muscles. You
I don't. Why do you say that?
What?
How come I don't have strong muscles?
Because if you get this older,
You lose your muscles? You're supposed to keep getting bigger muscles.
bigger muscles.
Mm-hmm.
This is hard. This is hard. The oil is really, really hard. Scrubby-dub with soap. Scrubby-dub with soap. Scrubby-dub with soap.
Grandma's going to be very proud of you.
Proud of me?
Absolutely. She's going to love to see you doing the dishes. And when you go to Grandma Wines' up to the Thousand Islands this summer,
Yeah.
you can do her dishes.
Can I bring the stool too?
Bring the what? Stool? Oh, I'm sure. Absolutely.
Yay, you can bring the stool. Do this. It's so strong. Yeah.
Good job, Lily. I love you.
Mama, look it.
Oh, good job.
Look at that.
That's the other side. You did awesome. Thank you.
I didn't finish yet.
Okay, go ahead.